Hey guys, how are you? We're doing the team draw now for the multi-year mix break. Random is live. As always, I random 2 lists. It's the only way to guarantee it'll be really random. 10 spots for the names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yoink. Save that. Copy that part of the list to here. Don't need that one anymore. Teams. We're going 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yoink. Save. Copy. Random is complete, and I'll read out the teams. Okay, we got Ryan House with the Clippers, Matt White with the Warriors, Jeff Wiktorski, Grizz, Braden with the Celtics, Bill with the Pelicans, Braden with the Cavs, Jason Airey, Wolves, John Jordan, Kings, Adam Carter, Nuggets, Sean Hutchie, Sixers, Bill with the Blazers, Mr. Powell, Pacers, Stretchy Boy with Thunder, Braden, Mavericks, Bill with Hawks and Pistons, Benji with Suns, Albie with Heat, Georgie Boy with Bucks, John Jordan, Rockets, Darren Gibbs, Spurs, Chris Jobbins, Wizards, Adam Biffen with the Knicks, Braden with the Lakers, Bill with the Bulls, Todd with the Magic, Darren Gibbs, Hornets, Albie with the Jazz, Johnny Deaton, Raptors, and Adam Biffen with the Nets. And that is the team list. I swear Johnny Deaton was being funny the other day. He goes, Raptors, here we come. And I guess that's what happens. Sometimes when you're funny, you get what you say. Sorry, Johnny. Alrighty, break will start probably 10 minutes. I'll put the link up. I'll actually do it this time. Thanks.